Hello, do you know how much you need to spend your time in the nature? Do you know it is highly important for your life and your peace and your health? Do you know the essentials for your healthy living? Or do you think that your health is something related only to your body and the doctor and the hospital are the ones who need to take care of your body? That your health is not something just regarding your body. It is starting, your health starts from your spirit and then to your mind and then to your body. And it is you are the one to take care of your healthy living, take care of your peace and your happiness. Yes, I highly recommend you to ponder about it, to think about it, to meditate about it. Take time and spend time and meditate about it. Come out of your flat. Come out of the four walls of your room. Come into the nature. You have only one life, and the most precious thing in your life is your time. And if you lose your time and if you waste your time for emptiness, if you lose your time for empty pursuits of your life, if you lose your times for the wasteful, harmful, stressful works, you are losing yourself. God created you for a definite purpose. God gave you talents for a purpose. And God gave you these talents for you to express it for yourself and for the common good. And if you don't use it for the enjoyment of you and also for others, you are just spoiling your life. You are just spoiling your times. You are wasting your life. You are wasting your health. You are wasting your times and your peace. Yes, I have many important things to speak to you about this. Your life is precious. Watch my other videos and you will understand what life is, what health is about, what life is about. Please subscribe to this channel and learn and be wise. It's good for you. Thank you.